Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning to the Floki community. In this video, we'll talk about Floki. We'll do a full update. I mean, in general, we'll talk about what's going on fundamentally with Floki. We'll talk about the technicals. I bought Floki yesterday, all right? So we'll talk about why I bought and just in general, hopefully everything you need to know, all right? So that's what we'll do. I know that there's a significant Floki community around Cilinix Crypto as well. So welcome back. I mean, I don't often cover Floki. Because, I mean, in general, just to be fair, it has been relatively bearish for a relatively long period of time now, all right? So basically since the 6th of June has been quite weak. But right now, I have reason to believe we're going to be bullish. That's also why I bought, of course. So let's talk about that. So what I want to start off with first is just the technicals. There's enough fundamentals to talk about as well. I think fundamentally, and I've said this quite often, I think Floki fundamentally is one of the best meme coins in the sense that it's a meme coin that actually is building some sort of utility, which, you know, whether you think it's real utility or not, it definitely helps with that community building. And the community is one of the things that makes sure a meme coin stays alive and stays relevant. So Floki is doing a great thing with TokenFi, but also with Valhalla, etc., and what they're doing with Simon's Cat right now, which we'll get to a little bit later. But first of all, technically, the chart of Floki is just bullish, all right? I mean, if you look at this, with the bearish momentum we had in August, we bottomed out, but we got a significant bullish breakout right here above 14,000. As long as we hold this, we are relatively bullish. Now, if we don't get, like the level we're at right now, technically, is key as well, all right? It's the level right here around 16,000, I would say. Like, if we really want to be bullish here, if we really want to rally, we need to break above this as well. So we're not fully bullish yet, but I do think we're getting there. And I do think in general, if you look at the 4-hour time frame as well, I think this is an uptrend. So technically, I'm bullish on Floki for that reason already. Now, I think the fundamentals help a lot as well. So what we have right now is what's launching. Meme coins in general are a little bit stronger here than the market, I would say, or at least we saw some momentum in the weekend. But what you also have is that Simon's Cat, a relatively big meme coin, launched quite recently. You can get a lot of the supply by holding Floki on Binance. All right, so the snapshot time is August the 29th. I think that at least for the next 2 days is still a major bullish catalyst, and a lot of people are going to be buying Floki. After that, could be a sell the news effect, could still be pumped up a little bit higher. But that's something I will keep you updated on, because I haven't really made up my mind yet on what to expect from that. But I'm holding at least for the next 2 days. After that, we'll see. Because, I mean, if it depends a little bit on how many people are actually buying because of the snapshot, right? Because in general, Floki, like I said, technically is already bullish. I think their market maker, DWF Labs, is also doing quite a bit right here. So that's bullish as well. So for me, I'm still bullish at this point in time. Bitcoin, not sure if that's that bullish. So I still do think that we can have some sort of a pullback here. But I do expect the breakout above 16,000, followed by a move into that level between 18 and 19,000 for now. Right? I think the technicals line up with that. I think there's enough of a fundamental catalyst, both in the markets, which, even though I'm not super bullish on Bitcoin on the short term, I still do think that Bitcoin is in a bullish market structure. So that's in combination with what's happening with Simon's Cat and with DWF Labs is doing, I would say this is most likely. That's what I expect. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you would like to know what I'm buying and when I'm buying it, even though this trade hasn't turned into a success yet, even though it is in profit, consider joining the Signal group. Links to that will be down in the description, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.